Hi guys! Shout out to the car lover. We're gonna mukbang today.
What's your eating? What are you eating? It's chicken omelette.
Chicken omelette. I'm
With?
eating chicken omelette with eggs. Soup.
And I think it's pork. Eat the rice. No. This is not very good.
This
Probably this one. This one is good. Oh, because you want to put something in your rice.
Here na lang po sa chicken ko po.
Sige na.
Dapat tuloy lang. Let's start mukbang.
Faster than she. Nice. Faster, okay? Ito mo lagay yung ano mo? Balat. Can we turn off na the video? Prepare your food, di ba, after?
That's tasty.
Yes, you're right. Take your food.
The chicken is
I think it's not chicken, it's pork.
the pork is out of 30 it's a solid 10. Just a solid 10. But the rice obviously 30 out of 30. I always eat rice.
Eat na. You want me to put more sabaw in your rice? More sabaw?
That's yours.
Okay ka naman sa food.
Try. So,
Ang konti lang.
try mo get one piece. Okay naman. Ito malamang. Okay na din.
Pala.
Magkano yan?
$9? 9.9? Tapos yung sa'yo mga 8.8 na.
Parang 9.
9 na.
Can you turn it off? Kasi 4 minutes na.
Bye.
Wow! Dashi, what are you doing? Make it fly. Make it fly. I think you need to move. Make it move.
So cute.
Can you put it down? Can you put it down? Put it down so that I can see you both.
And where is my butterfly?
Hoy, don't let the...
Like, we are not controlling.
Control it properly, Daichi.
Daddy Lloyd.
And Dea.
खबर है.
Oh.
हो रहा है क्या?
Where's yours, ano? Where is your... Yung kayong...
And
okay. Asan yung kay Daichi?
where's Daichi's?
Butterfly yung kay Daichi eh.
Maliit kasi ang butterfly eh.
Where's the butterfly? Place is that? Hi! Hi to the vlog. What is this? No, what place is this? Is this Philippines? What country is this? How can we know?
What's with all the
Church yun eh.
Yeah.
Is that Philippines?
Red.
Ayun, Batanes yun. I think so. There's a church here. Come here. Oh, doon no. Ayun pala, meron. Go, 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 go. Start. Go, 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 go. Come here. Go, 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 go. Look at the, ayun no, yung ano, that's the, there's a, ano, you know. What do you call that? Oh, go. What is that? I told you it's Philippines. Oh, let's guess. Okay, let's guess what country is next.
That's your favorite subject, right? Okay.
What country is that? Don't ano, it's Indonesia. Come here, Daichi. It's Indonesia.
Wait, how about that?
No, we need to go there muna. Here, there. This one is
Please, China.
no,
I think it's
Cambodia.
letter T.
Thailand. Is this Thailand?
What's your
We need to
guess?
go there muna. Here.
Come here.
Okay.
What do you think country? That country.
India.
Is it?
That's the Taj Mahal.
Yeah, that's Taj Mahal.
I told... Ay, hindi. Brunei.
Ay, Brunei.
Brunei pala. Mali tayo.
Sorry.
Mosque. Oh.
I thought this is India.
It's Ayamanga's Mosque, right? H.E.? It's Ayamanga's Mosque.
Here. Ano pa ba dito? Oh, what is about this? Here.
China.
Are you sure?
Yeah, they have like
Are you sure?
I guess it's China also.
Ano to? Laos. That's Laos. I'll go there. Laos.
now.
Can you, ano, to the camera? To the camera. Here, the other side. Say hi to the vlog. I thought you were gonna be vlogging.
Shout out to
Oh.
Carlo.
Oh, let's check what country is that.
What country?
I don't know. I don't have an idea.
I guess it's Indonesia.
No, tapos na tayo sa Indonesia eh.
Tapos na ba? Myanmar.
Vietnam. Char. Asan yung description? Wali.
Maybe
Kasi may ano eh.
I
What is... There's a pirate. The Golden Brick. Great Wall. Ano to? Is it Great Wall of China?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh. No, kanina yun eh.
No, we didn't say China yet. Because not China.
Is this China?
Maybe this is Russia.
Walang description.
Russia doesn't look like this.
But there's a volcano. Look, the volcano is erupting.
Egypt.
I think it's Somalia.
I think it's...
Oh,
There's a cannon up there.
meron palang purpose yun. Ang kulay green na yun. Dito, here, come here. That's wala nakalagay. Oh, here, Daichi. What country is this? Oh, let's check. Ganda, oh.
That's Angkor Wat.
Wow, let's check. Cambodia, very good, Ninong Junjun. Wow, there's ano pala. Wow, very nice.
I'm not stopping.
Oh, come on. Go. Go forward.
Walang one.
Pinag-isip pa tayo.
What tayo? I think that's Malaysia.
This one is, what is this? Wait, don't ano. Are we done here? Vietnam?
Not yet.
Oh, Vietnam. I am correct.
You kasi check eh.
Hindi hindi ako tumingin
She didn't.
How about that country?
Brunei.
Brunei, we already went there. Okay, here. We're done here, di ba? Ano ba to? Laos? What about this one? What is this?
There's a Petronas Tower.
Yes.
This is China. 100% China.
This is 100% India.
Yeah.
Here muna.
No, that one is supposed to be China.
This is China. Very good si Daichi. Very good.
Yeah.
The Great Wall of China. How can... Parang nag-iasan yung Great Wall. Ayun. Yan pala yung Great Wall. Ayun. Doon, no?
What's that? Nepal.
Nepal.
I
Oo.
guess that's Nepal.
Oo, kasi yung ano...
No. I guess that country, that's Nepal.
That's the Great Wall of China, you know? There. Up. This is the temple. Which one? Ano which one?
Where's Nepal?
That one.
Yung kanina.
That one with the mountain.
The China. Forbidden City, China.
Wait, how about there? India.
What about this one?
India.
What is this?
India.
Ala, ang galing yung may ano. India. Let's check.
No, let's just go from there.
Here muna. Tapos na tayo dyan. Ang ganda naman.
Don't worry, I said.
There, oh, sa harap. Daichi!
Mommy, look, there's some fancy.
Push that button. What does it do? Nothing. Oh, here. I like this. Oh, I know what is this next time here. It's the
USA.
London.
London?
Yes, I think so. Ayun na, mayroong flag eh.
I think that's Singapore.
Is this? Ay, oo nga, Singapore. Ang galing mo dyan. Hindi eh.
Oh yeah, that's near Lion, right?
I told you, this is, tama sa Ninong Junjun, Singapore. This is the Sky Eye. Baka saan yung Marina Bay Sands? Tcha. Ayun o, Merlion o. The Fullerton Hotel, doon tayo na-stock up kahapon. Ang taray, nice may Fullerton. Come here later.
Ano naman to?
Meron yan.
We didn't check the Merlion. Kala ko po ang
Singapore din ata yung cruise eh. This one, oh. Singapura.
Singapore.
What about in the other side?
Where's the marina?
Don't know.
Where's us?
We're in the cafe.
I think this is the ano, yung malapit dun sa tinirahan natin. The stadium.
Or is it just my sweat?
It's your sweat.
Sure.
Kasi there's
Oh, Riverside Point. Oh, let's go back there.
where?
Door.
India.
No, we need to find ano.
Where? Philippines.
That's Malaysia.
How did you know?
Oh.
Malaysia.
What is this, Daichi? What country is that?
That looks like a big head. So, I guess this is UK.
Sultan Ibrahim. I think this is in Johor. Oh, this is here. Ah, that's why it's very big.
Kala ko po UK eh.
Yun yung UK. Ito, this one is ano.
Where's UK?
There. Let's check. So this is Johor Bahru. Come on. What about that?
That one is UK or US?
What is this? What country is this?
Ito po.
Ah, oh. Sultan Abu Bakar Mosque. So I think this is all ano. Johor.
Johor.
Wait, let's see that.
Oh, enough na. Oh, let's go.
Wait lang. Ayan, meron. Tingnan natin.
Ayun.
Ay, dito na lang. Wag na nga. That's Malaysia. I know. That's Melaka. Hindi tayo, that's the Bato Caves. We're gonna go there, okay? You're gonna climb up the stairs. Yes. Daichi, you're gonna go there, the real one, the real Bato Caves, okay? There's a lot of, we cannot bring food kasi there's monkeys. Look, oh, you know, may monkey doon sa may ano.
Ayaw nga.
Okay? Bato Caves. Ayun no, doon sa may ano, habang tumaakyat ka. Wow. Ang galing no, meron siyang ano, sariling mundo. Oh, come here. Dito, pag ganito tayo. Come here. This is Bato Caves in Malaysia. This is the ano, the real ano. Kailangan siya na ano. Naku, wala pala ako
Bawal
dala.
naka-shorts dyan.
Sa mga girls. Philippines! Ay, Pulau Pinang. Pinang pala. Malaysia din to. Yung Pulau Pinang is another state ng Malaysia.
May nakakit doon.
Ipo, Jalan Ipo. Ano yun eh? State in Malaysia.
Yung QR code.
Yeah.
I think this is Genting.
I think this is...
Oh, what's that? Ay, Pinang. Pinang Hill. I already went there.
Din yun talaga yun.
May tramway. Tramway yung tawag dyan. Sa Pinang. Eto, what is this? I don't know. Hindi yan Genting, for sure. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dyan. Rapid Penang. Penang is ano, another great state in Malaysia. Nearby lang yun ng ano kay El Paso. Georgetown pala, Georgetown, Penang.
Wait, we can, ano?
I've been there. In Georgetown.
We can build pala.
Here. All you can build there na lang. Let's check what is this. KK. Punta ka na balloon. That's the Malaysia Petronas Tower. We'll go there tomorrow. There, that one. KLCC.
Where's that? Malaysia pa?
Yes, we'll go there tomorrow. You're gonna see the real KLCC. That's the Merdeka Tower. I haven't been there in up dun sa up nung.
Sa loob mo siya.
Mahal yun eh. Go Daichi, your ninja. Huya!
Hi guys!
Dapat to.
Shout out Tita Carla! Today we will gonna be mukbang.
Char kway teow. Ito hindi natin pwede itong ma-take off. So hot.
Sarap kaya yung chicken.
Kitang superior. Wow, this is chicken. What's the difference? Patty.
This is, I think, kambing.
You eat it like this.
Legit.
Then, that's one is kambing.
Sarap.
Kambing sa atin.
Nasang tapa.
Pwede pa ba magpa-refill na naman nila?
Handling kami.
Darcy, what are you eating?
Chicken.
Chicken again. With that rice.
Yeah,
It's so big.
Yummy. What drink do you want?
This is the one I want. Char kway teow, hindi pala kway teow. Pag kway teow, feeling ko ano yun? Yung... tawag ito? Kway teow is dry. Ito char kway teow.
very nice.
This is the one I like. Char kway teow. I'll get, spoon there. Sarap.
lang. Can I try this?
Your burger's yummy.
Yummy.
What do you rate it? Me, I rate it a 9.5 out of 10.
Good. May I rate that 10.
available in the Philippines. Ito meron, meron pa. Don't know na ito meron. Like, I'll check.
Sige.
Friend, you need to try that.
Mm. 11 over 10.
What?
11 over 10.
This one? Why is it so much wrap?
Hindi ko alam kung meron pa doon. Try this.
Ang sarap.
Meron
No,
siyang
John
clams.
John.
Mm.
If you think this is really good, you have to make it a 50.
Yes. Definitely.
10,000 million over 10.
Ha!
Clam yan.
But ano itong puti?
Itlog. Hindi pala yung phone ko. Hinahanap ko.
Mm.
That's the best, one of the...
Mm.
Oh, water. Water.
Ito na.
20 million over 10.
Me and this one, actually I rate this. But can I try this one?
Yes, this is spicy, this is not spicy. So you try this not spicy, unspicy.
This one is the same, right?
Yes, same. And soft.
Parang gusto ko mag-long.
Soft.
Hindi ka kita sa video.
Mm.
Sarap nito. Sobra. Ito kasi pwede tayo mag-take out. I-init sa microwave.
Ito, no.
Ito hindi. Kada sa atin. Chicken. Kahit siya ito sabihin mo.
Mm. Good choice, sarap.
Lapusino.
Marisa, gusto ko na ng drink.
Go. Go ka.
Ano kaya ang gandang drink? Ay, sugar cane ako.
Asa meron? Sige, ako din. Ako din. Yun na lang din ako. Soto. Like a drink water. Bye. Sugar cane.
Sugar cane 7 RM.
Hindi need to try this.
Me?
This one.
This
Wanna try?
one's composed, what are the ingredients of this?
Pansit. Mayroon siyang, scallops ba yun? Parang talaba ba yun? Basta
May
maliit.
toge.
Toge. Sabi may shrimp. Wala pa ako na-print na yun. So normal na bilihan na ganito, sa talagang, hindi, ito kasi social na to na food park. Yung pang locals, mababilang mo 6 yung shrimp. 6 or 7. Ang hang nito, grabe.
Sarap. Lahat masarap.
Lahat. Sarap ng sugar cake. Pero ito legit.
Sarap ng dip.
Pwede pang balikan.
Hi vlog! This is swimming day. This is the time we're gonna swim in Malaysia.
We are in Eton Residences. Okay.
But we're in the DP pool. This is the smallest pool because I cannot go there yet.
To the infinity pool. Then there's a lot of people here in this infinity pool. But here, in the deep pool,
It's only 3!
kami lang. Si Daichi lang yung bata dito.
Yay!
There's no other children here. They're only here to take pictures. They're not swimming. They're not taking... Oh, wow. Look at
Yeah,
that.
no one is swimming. Even
Everybody-
you guys. You're not even swimming, guys.
We're not taking pictures lang. We're just taking pictures.
You're taking a bunch and a bunch. We didn't, because we came here just to
Daichi, go to...
Shan.
Ano
Just
siya?
to
Nagagalit. Nagagalit si Daichi.
We came here just to
Nananermon.
swim, not to picture.
No, we came here to take pictures, not to swim. It's the other way around.
Naninermon.
Meh.
Okay, let's
Look
play a
here.
game.
Look here.
But guess the country what I'm saying underwater, okay?
Okay. Ako na lang muna.
Okay. Underwater, only your mouth will be covered.
Okay. Game na.
Okay, you first.
First.
Older than younger.
Older and then younger.
Oldest to youngest.
Ay, kuya. I'm gonna go here.
Ayan, gandang picture and then
Okay,
Mars.
me
Sabi ko
first.
sa'yo, eh, dito.
Me first, youngest to oldest.
Dito na lang.
Youngest to oldest na lang.
Ayan,
Youngest
oh.
to oldest,
Oh.
like this.
Told you, dito maganda, friend. Oh.
1, 2, 3, go. Is that a video?
This is the video.
Let's join the video of me.
I told you, here, may maganda mga picture dito. Is this your vlog?
Ah, yeah.
Wala ka naman.
Promote your vlog.
Promote your vlog.
Shout out Tito Carlo.
Tito Carlo lang lagi. Margo today, and Daddy, Nana.
Shout out. Shout out to Lashoni.
Take a picture.
Shout out Dad.
Zero visibility.
I'm scared. I'm not dito. Shut up, ito, guys.
Sakit sa tayo mo.
Scared.
Zero visibility. It's raining here. It's raining in Genting. Kento.
Bento.
Where are you coming from?
Philippines.
Are you coming to visit Malaysia?
Yes.
Oh,
Visit.
tourist.
Yes.
Oh,
You.
I'm from Malaysia, but I'm working in Singapore.
Boy.
Take a picture.
Finish. Have we finished my Cheetos?